Good day, everyone. Welcome back to BST African Electronic Surgery, and it's Friday. Yeah, it's not like before. We are at a time when things are not working well, especially on the repair industry. People they are no longer bringing in the devices for repair like before, for the simple reasons that the economy in my country is not that much good. So at that moment, people they have to weigh either I'll go with a dead device for a repair, or I'll just buy basics for surviving, like food. So that's the moment which we are in Zimbabwe. But anyway, we have this amp. This is a audio amplifier Sky KA018B. That's the model of this amp. You can see it's on. The problem with this amp, the amp came in as no sound. As you can see, it's on. But even if you plug in the speaker, this is a 2-channel amplifier. You can see we have the right channel and the left channel for speakers, like 2 channels. So the challenge, the amp has no sound. And this is coming from another repair shop. They replaced, you can see, maybe you can't see. Let me take out the power. Maybe you can't see that the amplifier board, it looks like this is a class D audio amplifier with coils. And here we have the chip, which I believe the audio amplifier power IC. Okay. Here we have the power supply, switching power supply with one output, maybe with this output for 5 volts and minus 8 volts. Okay. So it's very simple. It's very simple. If we don't have sound, obviously we have the problem. Something is not right with this audio amplifier circuit board. And the problem, I don't have this chip. I don't have this chip. Can you see what kind of chip is this? So the amp, our amp is coming on. As you can see, it's on. But we have challenge with the sound. But we have to confirm that. What I'll do, I'll plug the USB flash here. I'll plug the USB. I'll connect the speaker. I'll connect speakers. It's indicating, which means that our flash is playing, but no sound is coming out. The volume is at maximum. There's no sound which is coming out. So the problem is real. We don't have sound. Okay. Let's take out the flash. The next step, let's check some voltages. What voltage do we have here? on the output of the switching power supply. 5 volts. Minus 8.6 volts. 16 volts. That's the VCC in, which is going to this mono audio amplifier, which I believe this is a class D. Okay. So let's see what kind of chip is this. Let's try to read out the schematics of this audio power amplifier. Microscope. And where's our chip? That is the chip. And CY 1281. CY 1281. 1 second. CSY, sorry. It's a CSY 1281. AER. Okay. So you can see those coils. We have like 4 coils. And this chip is the one which I believe is the audio power amplifier IC, but you can check. I'm checking on Google about this chip. 15 watts stereo class D audio power amplifier. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Okay. So this chip was replaced so many times and we don't have this chip. So what do we do in this case? What do we do? I bought some new toys. Let me show you. I bought some few toys on such kind of jobs. You see this? These are some kind of audio amplifier where you can't find out the chip. You can replace this. This is the TPA3110. Where you can order this, you can order it on AliExpress. If you go on the AliExpress global platform for sellers, and you search for TPA3110, you find something like this. So this is our discovery video. I don't know if this is gonna work on this amplifier because I never used this, but I bought this just for the purpose of doing the experiment to see if we can replace such kind of chips where you don't have sound and you don't have the chip. So let's try. Let's open this. Let's open this. What a nice board with a heat sink. You can see the board. Everything looks clear here. We have right channel speakers, left channel speaker. What do we have for the connections? We do have the connections here. Here, suppose we must put some speakers here connecting. the audio out, left and right channel. We do have the audio in here, VCC in, ground. Okay, so let's try. Let's get started. Let's unplug the charger. Let's start the experiment. Let's start the experiment. Is this gonna work? So what I'll do here, I'll connect this for the right channel and left channel here, and I'll take the VCC in, which is 16 volts here on the switching power supply. I will inject 16 volts on this board because I believe this board is working from 8 to 24 volts. So the 16, I think we will be on the safe range, and we'll see. Let's try. Let's try to do it. Let's try to do it. I really need to see if this gonna work. And you know how cheap are these boards? Very, very cheap. Very, very cheap. So what? Let's start with the V in. I need soldering wire. A lot of soldering wire here. Hopefully this is going to work. Sometimes it's not easy to get space, so you have to find a way to solve the problem. You have to find a way to solve the problem. So what we have done here, let's just go a little bit back and explain few things. So yeah, this is the original board here for our audio amplifier with the IC, which is this one, which I took out this one. It's CSY 1281 AER. That's the audio amplifier IC. So what we have done, I come with my digital audio amplifier module here, and the connections are very simple. We do have the right channel speaker and the left channel speaker. You just connect it. They are coming here. These are speaker outputs. Okay. And the input is varying from 8 to 24 volts. In our case, we connected to this. This looks like an inductor coil with the 16 volts going to the VCC on the output of the switching power supply. And we have the audio input here, which I connected straight to the potentiometer. Okay, if that's the name, or to a variable resistor, which is this one for the volume, and that's all. So we have to test this. Power on, it's on, and our board is on. You can see the light. Let's come with the flash here. Yeah, you can see it's indicating. You can see the light is indicating that. That means the flash is now playing. Let's come with the speaker straight here. What about here? What about here? Don't tell me it's not working. Or I should test with a different speaker. 1 second. I do have many speakers which I can test with. No, we don't have sound. Why? Hmm? What did we do wrong here? Hmm? Let's power off. I need to take down this board. What have we done wrong here? Hmm? So what can be the story here? What can be the story? What did we miss? Where this wire is coming from? That the audio in, and the ground is not connected. You know? Yeah. Let's connect this wire to our potentiometer. Or a variable switch, whatever you call it. Let's put back and try one more time. Let's put back this and try one more time. Let's try one more time. because this module has to work. Has to work. So without wasting time, let's power on the amp on. Is now on, and the light is indicating, means if I connect a speaker, we must have sound. Let's see, and it's working. It's working. Huh? So these modules are beautiful. You hear the sound? I can reduce the volume. I can increase. You can hear. You hear the sound quality. You know, this is beautiful. And I blame myself why I ordered a few things, because I just ordered these modules. Like, I didn't order too many. I ordered just like 20. And yeah, we find a way to solve future problems. We find another way to solve future, because people, they are coming with this small amplifier, and you open, you check, you see there's no sound. In most cases, the sound chip is blown up and you can't find it. But we can replace with this one. This audio amplifier module, TPA3110. That's the module. If you want to order it, is TPA3110. So this is a classic. This is a classic. You can hear one more time. You hear the sound quality. So that's how you can modify an audio amplifier. This was not like a repair, but I was just experimenting what I bought through AliExpress. I bought these modules through AliExpress, and this is very cheap. It's very cheap. If I'm to check the price, how much did I bought these modules? The price otherwise will shock you. Otherwise the price will shock you. Like 97 cents each. This one, 97 cents each, and the shipping costs $3.76 to Zimbabwe. In 3 weeks time, I have my module. They are very cheap, less than $1, like the whole of this board. So I'll stop this video now. Our experiment seems to be working, and listen again, the sound quality of this module. You hear the sound quality? This is some kind of beautiful modules, and these modules, the voltage input range is around 8 volts to 24 volts, and this can support dual channel speakers, and around 30 watts each. So can support up to 60 watts speaker on the output, which is beautiful. So yeah, That's the thing. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And if you want to buy this, just go on the AliExpress platform and search TPA3110. You find many sellers who are selling such kind of modules. And yeah, you can replace like a dead audio amplifier, which you can't find the sound chip. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates, and see you on the next one. Bye.